Welcome to Zen AI Governance. Have you ever wondered how to ensure your AI systems comply with regulatory requirements? In this tutorial, we will explore logging and traceability for AI systems. First, let's discuss the purpose and objectives. Logging and traceability help explain, audit, and reproduce AI system behavior. They form the forensic basis for incident response, bias analysis, and post-market reviews. Next, we'll cover the logging architecture overview. Data ingestion logs capture source data, timestamps, and checksums for every data batch processed. The model version ledger records model IDs, training code commits, and hyperparameters. Decision trace logs store inputs and outputs, confidence scores, and any human overrides. A system audit trail tracks configuration changes and API access events. Then, we need to ensure dataset and training traceability. You should keep records of dataset versions, data sources, and bias reports. Link each trace element to the correct evidence record for compliance. Now, let's discuss model versioning and evidence linkage. Assign each model a unique model ID and ensure version records detail the parent model and training dataset. Maintain a lineage chain diagram to show how models evolve across releases. Next, it's time to implement runtime logging and observability. Real-time capture of input and output pairs, along with user sessions, must be logged. Confidence scores and decision rationales need to be saved in structured logs. Log aggregation through a central CM helps in monitoring and alerting. Security and data protection are crucial. Logs should be encrypted both at rest and in transit, with strict access controls. A clear retention policy based on risk levels is necessary for high-risk systems. For retrieval and audit export, standards need to be set. Use JSON lines and CSV summaries for log exports. Implement an audit API for filtered retrieval requests that comply with regulations. Templates and schemas streamline the process. Utilize structured log record schemas for consistency and compliance. Next, align your framework with compliance requirements. Ensure your logging architecture aligns with the EU AI Act, ISO standards, and NIST frameworks. Finally, follow an implementation checklist. Document and approve your logging architecture and ensure cross-linking across logs. Deploy an audit API with retention alerts and verify integrity monthly. By focusing on these key areas, you can ensure compliance with logging and traceability requirements. Remember, effective logging not only helps in meeting regulatory standards, but also builds trust in your AI systems. Now apply what you've learned in your own AI governance practices.